Snoring.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, Grandpa.
Good night, Grandma. Oh, I love it when Mummy and Daddy sleeps in the same room with us at Grandma and Grandpa's.
Oh, yes, it's super.
We really enjoy it too. But now it's time for sleep, children. Right then. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Night, little bunnies.
Ah! What was that? Simon!
What? Huh? Oh, that's Mummy and Daddy. They're snoring. They're making as much noise as a couple of big hippos.
Oh, it's just horrible. I can't sleep at all. Psst! Daddy, Mummy, you're snoring.
Wait a sec, Gaspard. I know what to do.
Wow! It's so amazing, Simon.
Oh, yeah, I know. And now we're able to go to sleep.
Oh, Simon, I still can't sleep.
Oh, yeah, so let's play then.
Oh, yeah, as superheroes, Simon. OK.
Oh, yeah, great idea.
A new mission! Mega
Amazing
Transformation!
Oh, look, Gaspard, someone's calling us.
Oh, hi, Super Rabbit. Hi, Captain Rabbit.
Hi, Bonnie.
I need your help. I'm sleeping at my cousin Professor Wolf's house, and he snores so loudly that I can't sleep.
But what could we do?
And Professor Wolf is going to eat us if he sees us.
Oh, no, he won't. He's asleep. There's no risk. Come and help me, pretty please.
OK, we will. Don't worry, Bonnie.
Coming.
Thank goodness you're here, Hey, because I am so tired.
Oh, just wait and see. It's really easy for Super Rabbit to stop the snoring. Oh, hey, he sounds like a hurricane!
He's going to swallow us up in his big mouthful of teeth. Ah!
Whoa, hold on to me. We'll wait until he breathes in. Hydro Pistaloo, activate lasso. It doesn't work anymore.
He can't hear you. He's snoring too loudly.
Yeah, that's right. We have to make as much noise as a herd of humongous hippos.
Wait a sec, I've got another plan. Goochie, 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 goochie. There's nothing that works at all. It's impossible to get him to stop. His snoring is indestructible.
So, we'll have to make even more noise than Cousin Wolfie.
Oh, yeah, I know. With a herd of humongous hippos.
Yeah, but we haven't got any.
Oh, how about a whistle? That might work.
But we don't have that either.
Oh, yes, we do. The Mega Blanky Whistle.
Oh, what's going on here?
Oh, yes, I did it.
Oh, thank you. Now I'll finally be able to sleep.
Oh, yes.
But what's happening? Oh, those two in my house. I could do a snack.
No. Leave my friends alone.
But why? Your friends woke me up, and the one thing I hate is being woken up.
But you're not even awake. This is all just a dream.
Huh? What? A dream? Really?
That's right. And right now you are dreaming that you're going back to bed and falling asleep.
What? Right.
Sleepy, sleepy time, sweet dreams.
Mission stop the snoring.
Shh. Accomplished.
Good night, Gaspard.
Good night, Simon.
Grandma Wolf's top advice. Come on, Gaspard, let's go play in the garden.
Yeah!
Just a second, bunnies. If you go outside, you have to put on your hats.
Oh no, Grandma, our hats are really itchy.
And besides, we're always too hot with our hats on.
No, you have to wear them. Otherwise, you'll catch a cold and become ill.
No, I never get cold. And also, I never get ill.
Well, I don't want to wear my hat. Come on, Gaspard, we're going to play something else.
Wait a sec, Simon. What are we going to play?
Hey, why don't we play superheroes?
Oh, yeah, great idea.
A new mission!
Mega
Amazing transformation! Oh, look there!
Help! Help me!
Somebody's in danger, Captain Rabbit. We have to go save her.
Whee!
Aha!
Help! Help me!
Oh, look, it's Professor Wolf's grandma.
Oh, thank you, my little darling.
No problem, Grandma Wolf. We'll always be here to save you.
Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Let's see if I caught those weenies in my trap. Huh? Grandma? But what are you doing here?
Oh, my little wolfin. I was on my way to go shopping, and you know what happened? I fell in this hole. Now, who could possibly have dug a great big hole like this?
Well, it was him. He always does that.
We have absolutely no idea who's digging holes all over the place. What a strange thing to do.
Oh, my little wolfie, you went out without your hood.
Oh, well,
You're going to catch a big cold like the last time, and your snout is going to be all runny.
Yeah. It's because I lost my hood.
Oh, well, you are in luck. I've just knitted you one. Come on now, my darling. Let me put it on you.
Oh, no, Grandma. I don't need it. I'm never cold.
Put on your hood, put on your hood, put it on, put it on.
Grandma, I can't see a thing.
Wait a sec. Just stop moving a minute. There.
This isn't funny.
I have to go do my shopping now. Have fun, my little darlings.
See you later, Grandma.
Goodbye, Grandma Wolf.
Oh, this is really itchy. I hate hoods. Oh.
Ah, but your grandma said you have to wear the hood.
I know, but I'd rather catch you instead. Pistol glue.
Hydro pistol!
You're such a bad shot, you weenies.
Serves you right. Tra-la-la-la-la.
I'm so cold.
Yeah, well, you see, your grandma was right. You should have put on your hood.
Yes, I caught a cold, and my snout is all runny. Ooh, achoo!
Oh, do you want us to help you look for your hood?
Oh, yes, please.
All right, mission, let's go and find the hood. Oh, just look, it's a mole bear.
Oh, he stole my hood. He's nothing but a thief. Why, achoo! Oh, help me!
Sleepy Blanky.
Yep. Shh, sleepy little mole. There we are.
Oh.
Are you feeling better now, Professor Wolf?
Yes, I already feel a bit better. Achoo!
Mission accomplished!
Don't forget your hats.
Of course we won't, Grandma. We don't want to catch a cold. We're not scared of the dark.
Simon, Gaspard, get ready. We're about to go into a tunnel.
Scared? Not scared. Scared. Not scared.
Not scared.
Scared. Not scared.
Scared.
Oh.
Huh? Oh no, we're stuck in the tunnel.
Oh, don't worry, darling. It's just a little power cut.
Hello, Madame. Hi there, kids. Now, don't worry. We'll be on our way very soon.
Do you think we're going to be in the dark for long?
Hey, Gaspard, isn't this a mission for the Super Rabbit Gang?
A mission?
Of course. Let's imagine it's a meanie who turned off all the power.
Oh, yes. A new mission! Oh, yeah. Mega...
Amazing
transformation!
Right, we have to find the meanie who turned off the power.
Well, he's not here.
Come on, let's go look in the spaceship garage.
Oh, no, the lift isn't working.
Don't worry, I know another way we can go.
Oh, wait for me, Super Rabbit! Wow, that was so amazing, Super
Hey,
Rabbit.
ow, you're stepping on my ears, Captain Rabbit. Just move. Yep.
Hey, wait for me, Super Rabbit! So where's the meanie then?
Surprise! I am here, you super losers. Ooh, little bunnies were all scared.
Aha, it's you who turned off the power, Professor Wolf.
Of course it was me. And I'm going to catch you, you little squirts.
Hydro Pistol!
Ha! You missed. I missed again. And still missing. Oh no. Oh, everything's dark in here, and I'm scared of the dark. Mummy!
Oh, so you have seen that the big bad wolf is scared of the dark.
Turn the power back on. Turn the power back on, please. Oh, please, please.
But you're the one who turned it off in the first place, so you put it back on.
But I can't do it all by myself. I'm too scared.
You're not going to cry, are you?
Oh, all right, I'll turn the power back on.
You shouldn't be scared, Professor Wolf. The lights will come back on, and besides, we're here with you. Would you like a hug, Professor Wolf?
Yeah, I'd love that.
So is that better now?
A bit.
Okay, we're here. Ready, and...
But why is everything still dark?
Oh, don't worry, you big picklehead. We just have to turn it on in the control room. To get there, we'll go through the tube.
Well, I don't want to go up there first. I'm too scared.
Oh, no, it's not scary. But all right, I'll go first then. Yeah.
Oh.
Can you help me, please?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, don't leave me alone in here. Oh, I'm totally stuck. Oh, can you please stop?
I know how to get you out of there. My hydro grabber.
Oh, but I'm still scared. It's still all dark.
Oh, come on now. You can't still be scared.
That's right. Just look. Not even Captain Rabbit is scared anymore.
Well, yeah, Captain Rabbit's not scared of anything.
There we go.
I'm no longer scared. Now I'm going to catch you with my pisto glue. Oh no, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm totally stuck again.
Yeah, well, that will teach you not to try and catch us. Mission get the lights back on accomplished.
There we go. We're out of the tunnel. Are you feeling all right now, children?
Oh, yeah, and besides, we're not even scared of the dark, huh?
Yeah. Not like the big bad wolf. Super Elvis always does what he wants. Come on, Elvis, come on. Be a good doggy now.
Hey, what are you playing, Simon?
I'm teaching Elvis a trick. Come on, give me a paw-paw.
Oh, yeah, it's paw-paw time.
Huh? Hey, hey, come back here.
Come and give a paw-paw, Elvis. Come and give a paw-paw. Where is he?
He's hiding. We know you're in here, Elvis. We're going to find you. Oh, Gaspard, he's getting away.
Whoa, careful there, Elvis.
Oh, he doesn't listen to anything we say.
Yeah, Elvis doesn't understand anything.
Oh, yes, he does. Elvis is a super dog. He always ends up understanding. You just have to keep trying, kids.
Hey, but if he's a super dog, maybe he listens to superheroes.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Mission, give us a super paw-paw.
Oh, yeah, Mega
Amazing transformation!
Come on, give him the paw-paw, Super Elvis.
So where's the super paw-paw, hey?
He still doesn't understand anything.
Full system activated. Main door open.
Stop it! Super Elvis, this is really silly.
Ha! It's my turn now.
Now that's enough, Elvis. You have to listen to us now.
Super Elvis is all mine.
Professor Wolf, how did you get in here?
Ha! It was so easy. Anyone can break into your hideout. And pretty soon, Super Elvis is going to do everything I ask him to do. Ha! With him, I'll put an end to your little gang. Bye-bye, losers. See you later.
Hey, no! Give us Super Elvis back! Come quickly, Captain Rabbit.
So Super Rabbit's gang is awful, right? With help from Meg and Mimi, we're going to show you how to give a paw-paw. Ha!
Professor Wolf, give me a paw-paw. Very good, Professor Wolf. That's a good doggy now. Good dog.
Come here, Super Elvis. It's not complicated. Okay, your turn now. Give me a super paw-paw. Oh, that dog doesn't understand anything. I mean, it's not that difficult. Now just stop messing around, huh? Listen, right this second. We'll see who's the boss around here. Hey, get back here right this second. Hey!
Mega Mimi, you're a silly robot.
Catch Captain Rabbit.
Let go of my sock, naughty doggy.
Haha, Super Elvis doesn't listen to anything you say.
Ha ha! That's what you think, you bunch of itsy bitsy bunnies, but I've got a trick that works every time. So then, who wants a super duper squeaky ball, huh? Naughty doggy!
Yes, higher, Super Elvis.
Yes, I got it! Come on, come and fetch a squeaky ball.
Oh, take that dog away. I've had a bump on my head.
Come on, give me a paw-paw, Super Elvis. Hey!
Oh, yes. Oh, he gave you a paw-paw.
Well done, Super Elvis. You finally understood me.
Mission accomplished.
Grandpa! Grandpa! Look! Give me a paw-paw, Elvis. Whoa! Yeah, well, I think that Elvis would rather play ball. the bumpity bump dance. Mummy, can we have a lollipop, please? Pretty please.
We're having lunch soon, so we'll think about it after you've eaten.
Oh, all right.
Oh no. I want my lollipop right now.
Hey, I know, Gaspard. If we do the magic bumpity bump dance, we can turn the flowers into lollipops.
Oh, you're talking silly now, Simon.
Oh, well, you could do whatever you want, Gaspard, but me, I'd like my lollipop right now. La, 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 hey.
So is it true? Is it really going to work?
Of course.
La 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 hey!
Bumpity, 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 bump. La, 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 hey. Bumpity, 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 bump.
But what are you doing, my bunnies?
We're doing the bumpity bump dance so we can turn flowers into lollipops.
Oh, so who made you believe that?
It was Simon who said it.
And you believed me. Ha ha.
Oh, it was not funny, Simon.
Well, as for me, I find your bumpty bump dance super funny.
Oh, come on, stop sulking, Gaspard. I know what you'll find super funny. Playing superheroes.
Oh, yeah. Come on, let's play superheroes.
New mission!
Mega!
Amazing transformation! Oh no, look out! Over there! It's Professor Wolf.
Oh, no, I don't have time to catch you today.
This is another one of your traps.
Huh? Oh, if only it was. My grandma has become ill, and so I'm picking plants to make her a herbal drink. And now I'm going to look for some honey.
Ah, his grandma is ill. Wait a sec! Professor Wolf, we can help you if you like.
Oh, that's super kind of you. And maybe you can make her a herbal tea while I go and look for the honey, all right?
Yeah, all right.
Oh, thank you so much.
Mega vessel!
Oh, we're going to take super good care of Grandma Wolf. I really like Grandma Wolf.
Yeah, because when she's around, Professor Wolf stops annoying us.
Grandma Wolf!
It's us, Super Rabbit and Captain Rabbit.
Come in, my little bunnies. In here. Hello, my little bunnies.
We'll make you a nice herbal tea.
Yeah, and after you'll feel better.
You stay with Grandma Wolf, Captain Rabbit.
Come a little closer, my little bunny.
But what a deep voice you have, Grandma Wolf.
Huh? It's because I'm really ill.
And another thing, Grandma Wolf, I don't remember you having such big feet.
It's so I can stand up better, my little bunny.
P.U. And your feet do not smell good at all, Grandma Wolf.
But what do you mean? My feet smell perfectly fine.
Bah! Your mouth is full of big teeth and it really smells awful too, eh?
Yes, well, all these teeth, they're perfect to chew you with, you weenie.
The herbal tea is ready. Whoa! Professor Wolf!
Ha ha ha! Well, I'm not Grandma Wolf. It was all a little joke. Ah!
That wasn't funny, making us believe that Grandma Wolf was really ill. Toxic Blanky!
Pisto glue!
Ah, yuck!
Oh, that really stinks.
And I finally caught you at last. Huh?
Surprise! Oh, but who've we got here?
Ah, Grandma! Oh, hello, Grandma.
Oh, my little wolfy poo. Oh, your bunny friends are here too.
Oh, whatever you do, you don't say that I'm a meanie, all right?
Yeah, actually, we came to help little Wolfie Poo put on a super duper show for you.
Ah, yes, I'm putting on a show.
The Bumpity Bump Dance Show. La 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 hey, bumpity bump. La 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 hey, bumpity bump. La 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 hey, bumpity bump. La 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 hey, bumpity bump.
Bravo, you are all just so funny.
La 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 la. Hey,
Oh hey, come on, sing along with us, Professor Wolf.
bumpity bump.
La 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 hey.
Oh, bravo, my bunnies. And after lunch, you'll each get a lollipop.
Yeah! Bumpity Bump Dance really works. You're going to break it. Birdie, it's Simon. Do you read me?
Ferdinand here. Yes, I read you loud and clear, Simon.
Ooh, walkie-talkie. Can I try them? Can I try?
Yeah, well, no, I'd rather not. You'll break it.
Oh, can we please? They're so amazing. Can I see it?
Okay, if you want to.
No, we can't lend them my walkie-talkies, because we're playing with them.
Oh, okay.
Well, yeah, I don't want them to break them. Right, so are we going on a mission now?
Oh, yeah. Let's say we have to go and find your super robot that's lost.
Mission accepted.
A new mission.
Super
Amazing
transformation.
Whoa! Oh, there he is, Super Fairy. Aha!
Well,
Mission accomplished!
what? Already?
Hi there.
Oh, hey, hello, Bonnie.
Oh, so your cousin Professor Wolf, is he here?
He won't bother you. He stayed home for a nap. We were playing ball and he ran around so much he was exhausted.
So then you can play with us now.
Oh, yeah. Super.
Come on, we're gonna play with my super robot. Super robot, open up. And
Oh. Huh? So cool.
Super Rabbit, music.
Oh, your super robot is amazing, Super Birdie.
Yeah, well, hang on, Bonnie, because you haven't seen anything yet.
Wow!
Hey, can I try now? Oh, please.
No, maybe later if you want.
Oh, all right. Then what are we going to play now?
We'll play with my Hydro Pistoloo. It's super cool. It can fire water, it can also shoot ice, and it can even shoot a rope to tie up the baddies.
Whoa. Oh, can I try it, huh? Please?
Of course. Oh, hey, it's the alarm. Our secret base is in danger. This is a mission for superheroes.
Oh, but I want to come with you guys too. I want to be a superhero too.
Oh, hey, it's Mega Robot, Professor Wolf's robot.
Candy Floss Cannon.
Yeah, where's Professor Wolf? Ah!
The amazing Professor Wolf is right here! Ha ha ha! You fell into my trap, you teeny weenies!
Oh no, Cousin Wolfie caught them. Why does he always have to be such a bad wolf?
I've lost my Hydro Pistoloo.
Oh, hey, my super robot. Who's at the controls?
Do you think it's Bonnie?
Oh, Mega Boobot! Get rid of him!
Oh, she took my super robot, but she doesn't know how to pilot it. Oh, she's heading straight for us.
Hey, your super robot is super hard to control, Super Ferdy.
Yeah, maybe, but you saved us.
Ha ha! You're not saved yet, you teeny weenies!
Hey, stop upsetting my friends right now. Whoa!
Whoa, great shot there, Super Ninny.
Well, I didn't really do it on purpose, huh?
That's funny, because without doing it on purpose, you managed to save us twice.
Ha ha! Yes, well, I don't find that funny. It's not funny at all.
Come on, Lily. Let's go. Yes, coming.
Oh, hey, be careful with my walkie-talkies, please.
The best of presents.
I can't do it. Oh, my collage is just awful.
No, your collage is amazing, Ferdinand. Just look. You can put a sticker there, another one there, like that, then a rainbow, and bingo, you've got a mega vessel.
Thank you, Simon.
Ooh.
Yes,
it's
break
break
time.
time!
So then, what are we going to play, Simon?
Well, how about we play superheroes?
Oh, yeah, great idea. A
A
new
new
mission,
mission.
Super
Amazing!
Transformation.
Hey, so what are these arrows?
Oh, hey, and what about this cross then?
Aha! Caught you weenies.
Oh, no, it's Big Bad Professor Wolf.
So from now on, you're going to help me. Oh, today's my grandma's birthday, and I need to bake her a cake, but I just don't know how to.
Whoa, it's Grandma Wolf's birthday? She's super nice, your grandma. We love her.
But it's not the same with you, Professor Wolf.
Oh, but pretty please, I really need your help.
Well, all right, but we're doing this for Grandma Wolf, not you.
Oh, thank you. So what shall we make then?
Well, for Grandma Wolf, a super-duper chocolate cake.
Oh, yeah, great idea.
So, for a yummy chocolate cake, we'll need some eggs.
Oh, yes, I've got eggs. Ha-ha.
Hey, you're not supposed to put in the shells.
You'll also need some butter.
There we go.
And sugar.
And sugar.
And some flour. And the most important of all, chocolate!
Ooh. Oh, I've run out. But I have a leak.
What? Hey, don't be silly. You never put leeks in a chocolate cake.
Of course you do. That's what makes it tasty. Give it back. Give me back my leek. We have to put the leek in the stew.
Oh, stop now! We'll find something else, like,
Oh, Professor Wolf, I know what. Some caramel. Do you have any caramel?
Oh, yeah, I got some. And besides, caramel is Grandma's favourite. Yum! Well, even though it's not as good as leeks.
Yuck.
Aha, I've got the cake, the decks. Now all I just need is a Prezi! Make it, Mimi! But this drawing isn't pretty. Oh, Mega Mimi! It's not pretty at all.
hey, that's not nice at all. Why don't you draw one yourself if you don't like it?
Oh, yeah, that's right. And if Mega Mimi drew it, it's his present to give, not yours.
Really? Is that what you think?
Well, of course. If it's a present from you, then you have to draw it.
Mega Bobot, come here. Turn around. No. This is just as bad. You are going to do the drawing right this second.
My little Wolfie, it's Grandma.
Oh, no. Oh, she's already here. Oh. What am I going to do?
Give her your drawing. I'm sure she'll just love it.
Oh, she won't. It's just so bad.
Not at all. She'll definitely love it because you drew it for her.
That's right. That's what's important.
You better be right about this, you weenies. Oh, and whatever you do, don't tell her I'm mean, eh? She doesn't like meanies.
All right, but only because it's her birthday.
Hello, Wolfie.
Happy birthday! Grandma, this is for you.
Ooh, it's simply wonderful, my little Wolfie.
Oh, thank you, Grandma.
Mission Grandma's birthday accomplished.
Well then, shall I help you finish your collage?
Oh, no need. I'm going to finish it all by myself. It's going to be super.
Grandma Grandma Wolf's snack time.
It's your turn, Gaspard.
Yay! Ha-ha! I win again!
I never get to win. It's just not fair. This game is no fun.
Simon, the next time we play, maybe we could just let him win.
Oh no, that would be lying, Grandma. Right, I'm going to find Gaspard and we'll play another game. Gaspard! Gaspard! Oh, Gaspard, stop sulking. Come play with us.
No, I don't like that game anymore. I don't want to play.
Well, we can play something else if you want.
I'll play a game, but only if it's superhero.
Oh yeah, okay.
A new mission! Ha-ha, oh yeah. Mega
Amazing
transformation! So, what's our mission then?
Your mission is to escape from Professor Wolf.
Wow!
You lose.
Oh, come on, let us go.
Of course, I'll let you go, but it'll be in my dinner pot.
Surprise, my little Wolfie.
But Grandma.
Yes, I came to pay you a little visit.
You must definitely not say that I'm mean. From now on, you're my friends, okay?
No way, I'm not doing that. That would be lying.
Oh, please, please, pretty please. It's only just a teeny weeny lie.
Oh, I see you've made some new friends. That's so nice, my little Wolfie.
Oh, but Grandma.
Come in. I was just making some pancakes.
Well, I think your grandma's super nice.
Yes, she's the nicest grandma in the world. And she has to believe that I'm the nicest Wolfie in the world.
But that's not true. That's a big lie and you're the meanest.
Yes, the biggest meanie in the world. And to prove it, I'm going to eat you right now.
They're almost ready. What are you doing?
I'm just giving my friend a big kiss.
Oh, enjoy yourselves then. I'm going to finish the pancakes.
Look, did you forget to clean your teeth?
What? How dare you talk to me like that?
Darling!
Yes, Grandma?
Oh dear, I forgot what I was going to say. Yes, I remember now. What would you like on your pancakes?
Rabbits? Oh, no. I mean, I want pancakes for my rabbit friends.
Yes, chocolate pancakes!
Oh, they are just so cute.
You stop annoying us right now or we'll tell your grandma everything.
No. Don't tell my grandma that I'm mean.
So you're nice, Professor Wolf, now then?
Yeah.
The pancakes are ready. Are you coming?
We're coming!
Careful, I've put a lot of chocolate in it.
You did that on purpose.
Oh, you shouldn't get angry. That was really nothing, my little Wolfie.
That's right. You shouldn't get angry, eh? We're best friends, my little Wolfie Dunphy.
Right then, who wants to toss the pancakes?
Me!
I never get to go first. Oh, you messed it up, Super Rabbit. You messed it up. You messed it up.
Oh, my little Wolfie. He's always been the clown of the family.
Haha, yeah, our little Wolfie Dolphy has always been super silly.
Stop calling me that, you little weenies.
Little Wolfie. What's the matter?
Oh, don't you worry, Mrs. Grandma Wolf. We're just having fun. We play like this all the time.
Oh, so it was all just a game. You certainly scared me, little Wolfie.
Wolfie's actually our big bad friend.
The next time you'll pay for this.
Yes, I've won! I've won!
Thank you for letting him win, Simon.
Oh, it's just a game.